Welcome to Flamingo app. This video introduces the voice recording feature for Flamingo cameras equipped with an integrated microphone. This feature allows direct audio capture during video recording without requiring any additional hardware. Keep in mind that not all Flamingo cameras include a microphone. You must visually confirm that your camera module has a microphone opening before enabling this feature in the app. To turn it on, go to the voice recording settings and choose On. Next, select the prompt that reads, "My camera has a microphone. Enable voice recording." After enabling, you can activate voice recording during video capture. Simply press the microphone icon found right in the recording bar. After recording, you have the option to adjust the volume level during playback. Please note that the exported file will always include the original voice recording.